Hi everyone, in today's video we are making chicken Alfredo. It's an Italian based dish and this is based with chicken, a pasta called Fettuccine, and I'm substituting tagliatelle into this. It's got some cream, chicken, and we mix it all into a pan and it should taste good.
First things first, you're going to heat up some oil. Once that's nice and hot, we're going to put in some chicken. Season. Once the chicken has browned off, put it to the side, let it cool down for 10 minutes, then slice it up. Next, we're going to add milk, broth and garlic to the pan. Season with salt and pepper, then add your pasta. In this case we're using tagliatelle. Keep stirring for 3 minutes until softened, and then let simmer until al dente. Next stage, we're going to add in Parmesan cheese, then we're going to add our chicken, wait for it all to thicken up nicely. Now that your sauce is thickened, add in your chicken. Combine it nicely. And there we go. To finish it off, we'll garnish it with some parsley, chopped up, and then we'll serve. If you have enjoyed watching this video and you would like to support more content creation in the future, you can head over to the YouTube channel, subscribe, and you can also head over to our Patreon page and have a look. From as little as £1 a month, it all helps go to a nice cause. And you can visit our website if you haven't done so already. All links are provided below.